The 1976 Holden HX Monaro GTS stands as a timeless symbol of Australian muscle and design elegance, its shallow red body shimmering with life under the soft brilliance of a white luxury showroom. From the first glance, the bold black front section, its jet black grille and bonnet merging seamlessly with those vivid red racing stripes, speaks of confidence and power. As the camera glides to the front three-quarter angle, the reflections from the polished marble floor dance across the car's sculpted curves, revealing every contour of this legendary two-door coupe. Moving to its side profile, the Monaro's sleek silhouette tells a story of aerodynamic ambition and handcrafted perfection, with the long hood and short rear deck balanced by glistening chrome trims that gleam like jewelry under the white showroom lights. Each line feels deliberate, flowing from nose to tail, echoing an era when cars were more than machines, they were statements of individuality and power. The rear three-quarter view captures the subtle aggression of its tail lights, the twin exhausts resting beneath a gleaming chrome bumper, the GTS badge proudly asserting its heritage. Up close at the front, the black grille dominates, with the Holden emblem and circular headlights framed by soft reflections of white and red, exuding an aura of authority. From above, the stripes on the bonnet and roof reveal a perfect symmetry that enhances the Monaro's racing spirit, while the glass panels catch the light like facets of a gemstone. Inside, the atmosphere changes. We step into a cockpit crafted for drivers who love both comfort and control. The black leather seats, stitched delicately in red, give a sense of luxury fused with raw performance. The steering wheel, heavy with chrome and embossed with the GTS insignia, feels like a piece of art in motion. Across the dashboard, polished metal and smooth black surfaces merge with subtle reflections from the showroom's soft lighting. Every gauge, every switch is placed with precision, a celebration of mechanical craftsmanship and driver-focused design. The camera moves behind the seats, revealing a continuation of that same black and red harmony, where even the smallest detail, seat belt buckles, headrests, stitching, are tuned to perfection. A closer look at the driver's cluster exposes the old-school analog beauty of the dials, their soft glow suggesting power waiting to be unleashed. The passenger side holds its own charm, the Monaro badge engraved proudly on the glove box as a reminder that this car carries a legacy few can match. The hood lifts, unveiling the beating heart beneath Holden's V8 engine, a mechanical masterpiece glistening with chrome pipes and black housings. The light glides across every curve of metal, reflecting precision, strength, and a touch of rebellion. Underneath, the chassis tells a different story, clean, balanced, meticulously engineered, showing the soul of true performance. The tires, wrapped around chrome GTS rims, rest firmly against the marble, their detailed tread catching the light like the veins of power that grip the road. A close-up of the front wheel reveals the reflection of the black bonnet above, tying together the theme of darkness and light. The rear wheel continues the rhythm, shimmering under the same consistent lighting, as though each part of this machine shares one heartbeat. The headlights, round and confident, gleam with clarity, while the tail lights glow in a deep red that mirrors the body itself. The number plate, marked HX GTS 1976, becomes a subtle signature of authenticity, a reminder that this isn't just a car, but an era reborn. From a low front angle, the Monaro dominates the frame, its stance low and muscular, its reflection vivid on the showroom floor like a lion ready to leap. The camera shifts to the rear, and the tail lights burn brighter, emphasizing the powerful posture of this Australian icon. Inside again, the roof lining and visors reveal their textured leather finish, a detail often overlooked yet integral to the Monaro's craftsmanship. The side mirrors and chrome handles reflect the world around them, a reminder of how this car merges art with engineering. Finally, as the view widens, the Holden HX Monaro GTS takes center stage in the bright white showroom, its shallow red body glowing beneath black stripes and a jet black front, standing still yet radiating motion. The reflections ripple across the polished floor like waves of memory, echoing an era of fearless design and pure mechanical passion. This isn't just a machine, it's a statement carved in steel and soul. The Holden HX Monaro GTS, 1976, born of boldness, perfected in detail, remembered forever as one of Australia's most captivating symbols of speed, power, and timeless beauty.